Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is motor. This is fan motor. This one have 6 wires. Two also orange and white and black and blue and red. So how to today we are checking how to run use the capacitor and wirings. So we have 6 wires here, 6 wires, and here mentioned in as per diagram, two orange for capacitor, and remaining uh, white is neutral, and black, blue, red is phase. Means black means high, blue means medium speed, and red means low speed. So here uh, 3 phase and one is neutral, and another two orange is capacitor for capacitor. So these are the wiring diagram, and now we are checking for practically in a running mode. So I have 1.5 capacitor, and 1.5 capacitor here mentioned how much capacitor here 1.5 mentioned. So that is the using. So okay. Hi guys, this is the wiring diagram. Now see here 5 wires, or 2 in capacitor, and one is orange capacitor for 1.5 MFT, and remaining 3s, and white color is neutral, and 3 phases, uh, high, low, medium, and we are connecting one high speed, and another one is neutral for these connections. So we need safety for in here, so that's why I will putting here. So these are the connection wiring in for motor. So now run the motor, so as per drawing. So now checking, now unit is running. So again, now running the motor. So see, this is the running system. Now we are changing the here also. Now it is high mode. This one is high mode, and now changing the this one mode also. No problem as per this one. Okay, thank you for watching.